Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and delicious urad dal laddu. During this festive season, I thought to share a sweet with lots of health benefits. I know many of us will get a craving when we see or heard about sweet. Then why we should not have a healthy sweet during this pandemic? I will show you step-by-step recipe of this laddu, which is very healthy for ladies, especially like pregnant, growing up children, lactating mothers, as there is lots of folic acid, iron, calcium, etc. This laddu is very simple to prepare and healthy snack as well. For this we need simple set of ingredients like 1 cup of urad dal, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a bowl of ghee, you can adjust it, 7 to 8 parts of cardamom and 1 tablespoon of edible gum, which is very healthy for bones. In a heavy bottom pan, add urad dal. I'm going to roast dal until it becomes golden brown or till we get the aroma of dal coming through. Add cardamom when dal slightly changes its color. Please ensure that while roasting, keep stirring continuously because otherwise the bottom of the pan may get more heated and dal get roasted and burnt. It may take 8 to 10 minutes to change its color and fry properly on medium flame. This is almost going to be done now. I can smell the aroma of dal coming through as well as the color of the dal turns into golden in color. This is just perfect. I'm going ahead and transfer it into a plate immediately as it will burn easily. Roast almonds and walnuts evenly on the same pan on low flame, which will take 1 to 2 minutes. This is completely optional. You can grind it without roasting. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee in the same pan and add edible gum in it. This edible gum is very beneficial for ladies as it strengthens our backbone. It is also good for lactating mothers and the babies too. Fry them till the glue puffed up properly like a popcorn. It's done now. I'm going to switch off the flame and transfer to a blending jar. When it gets cool, blend it. Add roasted urad dal into the gum and blend it into a fine powder. Transfer the powder into a vessel and crush the nuts as well. Now I am going to add the crushed nuts into the same powder and I am mixing it. We just wanted to pulse the dry fruits for a nutty bite. Now let's turn towards the sugar. Blend the sugar into a nice fine powder. Now mix all the ingredients properly. You can adjust your sugar at this point. You can add little less or more sugar according to your cravings. Let's start shaping the laddus. I was unable to take the video while preparing these laddus because of some technical problems. Now go ahead and add ghee into the powder and mix it really well until you get a moist texture enough to make a laddu. Be generous while adding ghee for these laddus. Press it tightly so that the powder holds together to form a shape. See how beautiful and perfect shape came out, exactly how we want it to be. If you feel the mixture is not holding together, add little more ghee to ensure it. Follow the same process for the remaining mixture. I always like to prepare mini laddus to attract my kids. You can also do the same. Wasn't the making of this healthy laddu is simple? And all you have to do is roasting dal perfect consistency is really important. In my place, this is must and should feeding sweet for a matured girl. Try to make these laddus and feed your kids for a sharp brain and healthy bones. Please do like, share and subscribe my recipe. And do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.